Let's regulate. When you can clear away the noise inside of your mind and body, you can become a clear, conscious conduit for implementing the changes that you know you need, but maybe you haven't slowed down enough to become present and witness. Truly separate yourself, step back for a second, and witness what is truly going on in your organization. I've noticed in doing this work that it's hard for leaders to actually tell yourself the truth. You're always driving towards sales, growth, numbers, analytics. There are always rules and regulations and guidelines that need to be followed up on. And that depletes a leader of the creative energy and innovation necessary to keep up in these challenging times. It becomes what I like to call drag. And this drag drags you down. Breathing, regulating is an important part of the process. Today, I'm going to go through the pause before you react, regulate to de-escalate, and then the vagal nerve breath. So you're going to get a two-part experience. It starts by closing your eyes with me if you're in a place to do so, but if not, grab this video later, fast forward to this exercise, and you can close your eyes and practice with me. Eyes closed. Press your feet into the floor like you're about to stand up. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, pressing your feet into the floor like you're about to stand up. Breathe in and hold. First, press your feet and say stop. Take a deep breath in, hold, feel the space, gather up any stress and tension, and breathe it out and just relax. Maybe wiggle your body a little bit or shake your hands off. Pause before you react. Regulate before you communicate. Moving into the vagal nerve breath, it's 3 vigorous sniffs in like you're gathering up anxiety and then fogging the window. The vagus nerve loves to respond to vibration. Ready, set, go. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, out. Fog the window, out, out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, out, out. Everything's slowing down. Now we're going to press our feet into the floor. Breathe in, hold. Keep the pressure. Breathe out, 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 out. Relax, let go. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Notice how you feel. Slide that memory card in between your eyes into the deepest, wisest part of your brain and know that you've just paused before responding.